My name is William Eriksson. I'm a market area development manager and I'm responsible for the animal welfare assortment. And today I'm going to tell you a little bit how we have planned the Hamra Farm when it comes to the manure system, because it's quite sophisticated. So here we have the manure robot, so it's what we call robot collectors, which collecting the manure, and then it comes to the parking stations. Here is the compartment where the manure is collected, and if you come closer here, I can show you that here is the pocket for where the manure is collected, but when it comes now to the charging station, it also dumps the manure straight down into this pipe, which then leads to the reception pit. Why we have chosen the manure robots? Well, I think you can see the reason why, because it makes it so very clean, and they come and collect the manure instead of scraping it in front of themselves, and that really makes a huge difference when it comes to the cleanliness of the cow's legs and the hoofs. So it's really beneficial for a good hoof treatment, hoof care, and that's very important for us. As you maybe can see, we have alley mats here. So it's an 18mm rubber mat which we have placed in all our alleys, and the purpose is for that to avoid any lameness issues, because we have seen that cows are able to express their natural behavior much better, and it's much more comfortable for them to walk. The way we have planned the manure system here at the Hamra Farm is it's collected with the manure robot immediately and then taken to the dumping place. And here it's transported with a pipe further on to the reception pit. So we have a closed loop all the way to the reception pit. The reception pit is also under cover, and then from there it's pumped to the lagoon, where we also have a cover over, and that means that the manure is in a very little contact with the air, which helps us to really avoid or reduce any kind of ammonia emissions. And with that, it's both good for the environment, the smell, but also it's good to keep the nutrients in the manure as well. So it's really a win-win situation in that way as well. As you can see, we're standing now in the young stock barn, and we have moved here because I want to show you a little bit how we have planned the manure system here. Here we don't have manure robots, but we have conventional scrapers. And as you can see, we have chosen here the chain system. So it's a very thick chain, and it's a robust system, and that's why we have chosen it. It can last very long and requires very little maintenance. We have one alley here, and it means that we have a return chain system that's going in the edge of the alley, and it's all managed by this drive unit behind us here. And the drive unit is equipped with the automatic chain tensioning system, and that means that we don't need to go here and tension the chain on a regular basis, so we save a lot of time on this. And I'm standing here next to our manure pump that actually pumps the manure all the way to the lagoon, which is about 200 meters away in that direction. The manure comes from the barn, and here it's first agitated, so it's mixed around to make it into a homogeneous manure, and then it's easier to pump it away. So we have a long shafted pump here, so it's pumped through this pipe and going all the way to the ground, and then it's a ground connection all the way down there, 220mm pipe. So we like to keep it quite big because this is a system that just has to work all the time. So here we have also an agitator. So it's a submersible agitator. It means that it's like a propeller, and it's dimensioned so it actually can agitate properly this whole reception pit.